Hi, welcome to Sean's Kitchen. For today's recipe, here I'm going to take a bowl and add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Along with that, here I'm also going to add half a teaspoon of baking soda. I'm going to then quickly mix these ingredients. And then keep this bowl aside. After that, here you can then take another bowl. And to this bowl, here you can then add 110 grams of unsalted butter. To the butter, you are then going to add 1/3 cup of granulated sugar and 2/3 cups of brown sugar. After adding these ingredients, I'm then going to beat this for 3 to 4 minutes on medium speed. After beating this mixture for 3 minutes, here I'm then going to add 1 egg, and along with that 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and half a teaspoon of salt. Here you can then beat this for another 2 minutes. After that, here you can then add the flour mixture from earlier, and you can then fold it with the rest of the ingredients. After folding the flour with the rest of the ingredients, here I'm then going to add half a cup of chocolate chips and half a cup of oats. Here you can then fold this with the rest of the ingredients. Once you're done folding in the chocolate chips and the oats, you can then keep this aside and refrigerate it for 4 hours. After about 4 hours, here you can then take a baking tray lined with parchment paper and evenly divide the cookie dough on the pan. After evenly dividing the cookie dough on the pan, here you can then bake it for a period of 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius.